This video shows how to create a histogram in Quantum Excel. I have the data for voltage of 30 different parts in column A, and since the only thing in column A is the data for the voltage, I can just click on the column A header and then select Analysis Tools, Create Histogram. When I click on Create Histogram, Quantum Excel will ask me the data range. Quantum Excel has selected the data range as A1 through A31. The reason is that it looked at column A and didn't see any data beyond cell A31, and therefore it is truncating it to the area where there's actually data. When I'm ready, I click Next. Quantum Excel will then optionally allow me to enter the titles, chart title X and Y axis titles. If I had more than one data set, I could choose to overlay a data set on a single chart or create one chart per data set. And if I wanted to fit a distribution to it, I can as well. So for demonstration purposes, I will fit a normal distribution by clicking on Fit Distribution and then selecting Normal Distribution from the dropdown. Then I click Next. Optionally, I can enter the spec limits. The spec limits happen to be 103, upper spec limit is 103, and the lower spec limit is 97. If there were more than one data set, then I could choose what order they are plotted, but because there's only one data set, it doesn't matter. And then if you have a very old version of Excel, you should choose lines without areas. If you have a current version of Excel, the default is lines with transparent areas. And then I click on Finish. When I'm done, Quantum Excel will create the histogram for me. The spec limits are displayed with the red vertical lines. The histogram is in the middle, and the normal distribution fits the data set. And that is how you create a histogram analysis in Quantum Excel.